Hello guys, welcome back to my another blog. Today I'm going to show you how to cut dry coconut with mansate. So please have a look nicely. So hold the coconut with your one hand and chop with the other hand. Just watch and learn how to cut the dry coconut. It's very easy, though it is difficult, but you must be very careful while cutting with the knife, otherwise you'll get cut on your hand. So do it careful and slowly. Peel the coconut line by line. Don't cut here and there, just cut precisely where it need to be cut. I have already see the video how I am cutting the coconut. Yes, just do it simple way. Yeah, it is very easy, but it's difficult also. You need to have a sharp machete to cut a coconut, otherwise it won't be helpful for you. So before cutting the coconut, you should sharpen your machete and cut nicely. So just have a look. It's very easy and simple way. So it is done. Just it takes only 2 to 3 minutes to cut a perfect coconut, to peel out the upper part of its dry skin. Just happen nicely and peel nicely. It is already done nicely. Just shove it. Yes, it is perfectly done. But guys, you have learned how to cut the coconut perfectly. Just hold with one hand and chop with the other hand. That's perfect. So guys, learn it well and do nicely. Yeah, it is done perfectly. I have just finished cutting the coconut within 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes take only. Yes, it's done perfectly. Oh yes, very good.